In this video, I am going to show how to remove video background with a single click. I will be using RUNWAYML.com software for this video. So this is free software. First, you need to go to RUNWAYML.com, then sign up and create an account. After that, there will be an interface like this. So you need to create your first project by clicking here. Create your first project, then you can see there is option called green screen, so click on green screen. Now there is a option to select or drop a video. To get started, I will be uploading a video in which I will be removing a background, so click on upload option in the left hand side. Then you can upload any video you want. I will be uploading this video. So the video is uploading. After that, we will drag and drop the video in the timeline. So the video has completed uploading. We will drag and drop to the timeline, and now the video is loading. So the video has been loaded. So we will remove the background from this video. So you can see at the right hand side there is option called click on area to start masking. So we will start masking to the object we want to keep. So click on the face and it will generate mask. Now you can see the man has been masked. After that, I will be masking this area, which is squawk exclusive, and we'll zoom in and click on there to complete the mask. So we'll be using zoom to fit to see it. So this our masking has been completed, and now we'll be clicking done masking at the top right corner. Here you can see we'll click done masking, and the video is completed. Now we can see the end product. As you can see, it is generating the video. There you go. You can see the video background has been removed and the green screen has been uploaded. You can even use any background you want by clicking replace media. Here you can see the replace media option. Drag and drop new asset. If you drop new background, the background will be changed. So I will not uploading this, so I will be clicking on cancel replace. Now you can see the video background has been changed. So just by one click you can remove the background here, which is very easy. So this is how you can remove the background of a video by RUNWAYML app. I will leave the link in the description box. So this is how you can remove the background of a video with just one click. Thanks for watching.